So today I'm going to change the shift knob on a 2013 Mitsubishi Lancer. So as you can see, it's a bit worn there. So we're going to take the knob and we're going to twist it. Same way we would for taking off any bolt. Now it's off. Here is the replacement knob. Has the correct shift pattern. Let's just quickly take the cap off. You're going to want to put that on first. Now, it comes with 3 thread adjusters, although they don't really thread on. Just see which one slides on. Definitely this one. Means you gotta break it off. Push that right down. And now put this on top. Make sure it's all the way down. Take these, and it comes with some set screws that you put into these holes. So let's see. It does come with one extra, so if you lose one of the buggers, it's not that big a deal. Screw this in, try to get it as flush as possible. So you're going to want to be able to slide this over it. set this down. What you do after that is you screw the cap back on and it's done.